What's up everyone, welcome back to Operation Overhaul. My name's Corey. Today we're going to be replacing a battery in a 2013 Mini Cooper. The battery is located under the wiper cowl on the passenger side of this Mini Cooper. The little door that covers the battery on this car was held on by tape, so I removed it to get it out of the way. Once I removed this, I lifted the weather stripping for the hood off of the wiper cowl. To remove the remaining pieces, you will use a 10mm socket to remove one plastic nut on the front under the hood and one metal nut on the back next to the windshield. Once these are removed, just pull the plastic piece gently and it should lift right out from around the hood hinges and the wiper. Now that is out of the way, use the 10mm and remove the negative battery cable first. Just be careful since there is a battery sensor attached to the cable, then open the cover for the positive cable and repeat the process. I did use a wrench for the positive cable since there was limited space for the impact driver to get in there. Once both cables are free, the battery is held in place by a 10mm bolt and a hold down clamp on the front side of the battery. Once the bolt is removed, you can use your fingers or a magnet to retrieve the clamp. There is also a vent tube on the battery that attaches to the passenger side. It vents any fumes that come from the battery acid inside of it. If no handles are attached to the battery, get a firm grip on the sides and then lift it up, being careful not to drop it on anything. The installation of the battery is the reversal of all the removal instructions. Just do not forget about the vent tube, and I install the positive cable first, so if you happen to touch something metal, it does not ground the battery, possibly causing damage to other parts of the car, such as computers or modules. After the battery is installed, you must perform a battery reset using a scan tool, so that the car can recognize the new battery. I will go over the instructions next on how to do this. So we're sitting inside the Mini Cooper right now. I just changed the battery and now we have to reprogram it to the car, and I'm going to take you step by step on how to do that using a Autel 906. Okay, after you load up everything, get the vehicle identified, what you want to do is go to Hot Function, Battery, then register the battery replacement. Alright, right here it's going to say display battery exchange history or register a replacement battery. You hit F2. Alright, once we get to this screen, I have the same capacity battery, so I'm going to hit F1. It is not. Hit continue. Hit continue, continue, and there you go, you're done. And then now what you want to do is hit the gas, hit the brake, then make sure it starts. And we have no codes, and she's running fine. Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Just want to say thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time on our next video. Thank you.